Hi, I'm George from War Railroad Channel today. Oh, crossing's coming up, yeah. Going 55. Going the desert. Crunch. 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 This is UP 4000, Union Pacific, aka. The second locomotive is UP 7855. Oh yeah, crossing. Crunch, 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 crunch. So the only two crossings in the video. First, we're just going to see the hills of Arizona. This is the Arizona track area. And we're in the okay. Check. Okay. Yeah, we just think of something. Okay, fine. So, get down to notch 1. So we're going for fast anymore. Check. Beep, beep, beep. The max of restraints. Oh. It's actually UP2445. It was an SD60. And if it's an SD60, yeah, let's just name 4000. This is an SD60 cab. This is like SD. Oh yeah, it may be 2445. Yeah. There's the radio network over there. Yeah. Please subscribe to War Railroad Channel.